Good morning, students. We continue fractions and decimals chapter, example sums, statement sum. In a class 40 students, 1/5 of the total number of students like to study English, 2/5 of the total number of students like to study maths, and the remaining students like to study science. How many students like to study English? It is given in fraction 1/5 of 40 students. You have to calculate, find out exact number of students like to study English, exact number of students like to study maths, and fraction you have to find out here. What fraction of the total number of students like to study science? Here for the science you have to find out fraction. For these maths and English you have to study, you have to find out actual number of students. Out of 40, how many like to study English and how many like to study maths? Here given in the question, total number of students 40. Number of students like to study English is 1/5 into 40. See, 1/5th part of 40. If you do, you will get exact number of students. 5 ones are 5 eights are 8 by 1. 8 by 1 is 8. So, how many students like to study English? 8 students out of 40. 8 students. Number of students like to study maths. Here fraction given 2/5 like to study maths. So, 2/5 of 40. 2/5 part of 40. Simplify this. 5 ones are 5 eights are 8 into 2. 8 twos are 16. 16 by 1. 16 by 1 is 16. So out of 40, 16 students like to study maths. Now what fraction of the total number of students like to study science? Before we find fraction, now we will find out actual number of students like to study science. So for that, fraction is not given. How we can calculate? Here only 3 subjects are given. So out of 40, 8 students like to study English and 16 students like to study maths. So by adding these two, if you subtract from 40, remaining students like to study science. So 4 minus 8 plus 16 is 24. 40 minus 24 is 16. So number of students like to study science is 16. So required fraction is out of 40, 16 students. So fraction means out means total 40, out of that 16 students like to study science. So if you write this in fraction form, that is a fraction. If it is possible to simplify this. 8 twos are 16, 8 fives are 40. So fraction of a total number of students like to study science is 2/5. So similar sum is there in exercise sum. This is the question. Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contains 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2/5 of water. Pratap consumed remaining water. How much water did Vidya drink? Quantity of water Vidya drink is 2/5 into 5. Here total is 5. 2/5 into 5. 5 and 5 gets cancelled. 2 will remain. So 2 liters answer. So what fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? What fraction? How we did last question, how we have answered? Similarly here for this also you have to find out what fraction of the total quantity. What fraction of the total quantity? First of all you find out quantity of water consumed by Pratap, that is 2 liter consumed by Vidya means 5 minus 2 3 liters consumed by Pratap. So 3/5. So 3/5 is the total fraction of the total quantity of water Pratap drank. So do this sum, that is homework. Next is multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. So here find 1/3 of 1/5, b 3/9. 1/3 of 1/5. Both are fraction here. In the last class, fraction and whole number multiplication you have learnt. Here fraction and fraction. Of means multiplication. In the next step you write in the place of multiplication. If possible to simplify, simplify. Otherwise multiply numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. 1 ones are 1, 5 threes are 15. 1/15 is the answer. Since this is a proper fraction, we cannot convert this into mixed fraction. So 1/3 of 3/9, 1/3 into 3/9, 3 and 3 can be cancelled. So further cancellation is not possible. Multiply numerator into numerator is 1, 9 ones are 9. Now multiply and reduce to lowest form. 5/7 into 3/5. First of all, mixed fraction should be converted into improper fraction. 5/7 into 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 3 18, 18 by 5. Now cancellation possible, 5 1s are 5 1s are, 18 1s are 18, 7 1s are 7. Now this is a improper fraction. You can convert this into mixed fraction. Directly converting into mixed fraction I have taught you. So first you recall the table. 7 nearest smaller product you have to see. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, more than 18. So 7 2s are, remainder is 7 2s are 14, 18 minus 14 is 4, that should be in the numerator, divided by 7. 1 by 7 into 14 by 3, 1 by 7 into 14 by 3, 7 1s are, 7 2s are. So 2 into 1 2, 2 by 3. This is a proper fraction. This cannot be converted into mixed fraction. One more sum, 11 by 2 into 3 by 10. So here also cancellation is not possible. This way also not possible. This way also not possible. Multiply. 11 3s are 33 by 20. Now this is a improper fraction. Can be converted into mixed fraction. 21s are 20, 22s are 40, more than this. So 21s are 20. 33 minus 20 is 13. Remainder here, divided by denominator, same remains same. So this is the answer. So these are example sums. Similar sums are there in exercise sum. So this sum I have already explained. This is exercise 2.2 in that last sum, and 2.3. Find 1 by 4 of these three sums, 1 by 7 of these three. Refer example sums and multiply and reduce to lowest form. Second, this type of sum, and here first you convert this into mixed fraction, and simplification is possible, cancellation is possible, means 2. Then if it is improper fraction, convert it into mixed fraction. Answer page is here. So this is the answer of last sum, 8th sum, exercise 2.2. 2.3, first and second sum, its answer is here. Easy sum. Any doubt you can ask. You have to try. Even after trying also, if you do not get answer, please ask. Thank you, students.